Namaste, welcome to all. Today we'll discuss a special relation. In real life, what are the special relations? Yes, brother, he is brother of, he is father of, okay. But here see, he is mother of, you see, a mother with two children. He is mother of, is a special relation or not? He is children of. It is a very special relation, no? Okay. In the relations also, we have such type of relations. Similar to that, what is that means? F is a relation from set A to set B. For every A belongs to A. Here, for every is the keyword. There is a unique B belongs to B. Unique is the keyword. These two keywords you should understand. Such order pair are there in relation means then it is special relation and it is called function. F is said to be a function from A into B and it is denoted F is to A arrow B. It is also said as F maps A into B. We'll give illustration to make the concept crystal clear. See, A we are having elements 1, 2, 3. B we are having elements A, B. Okay. F1 is the function from A to B. 1 is related to A, 2 is related to B, and 3 is also related to B. Okay, this is function, no problem. Here see, 1, 2, 3, the elements in domain will say A and B, the elements in codomain, and range also A and B only. Here see, each and every child has unique relations, see, no problem. We are not bothered about elements in codomain. Okay, it can have two relation. It can be associated with two elements, no problem. These two children are born to this mother B, no problem. It is a function. So when it won't be function, we'll see. Some relation F3 from A to B, 1 is related to A, 2 is related to A, 2 is related to B also, see. 3 is related to B. Here where we are having problem is 1 to A, 3 to B, no problem. But 2 is not having unique relations. Therefore, it is not a function. Now, same domain and codomain I am taking. F2 relation I took from A to B. Here 1 is related to A, 2 is related to A, 3 is also related to A. Here C, B is not having A, is not associated to any element in domain. Here C, codomain and range are not same. Codomain A and B are there. Range only A. A is having only association. B is not having any associations. See, we are not bothered elements. We are not bothered about the elements in codomain. See, elements in domain, each and every element in domain should have unique relation. One more non-example we'll discuss. Here see, A is related to, 1 is related to A, 2 is related to B. But 3 is not associated to, not related to any elements. This is F4 from A to B is not function. Why? Because here 1 and 2 are having unique relation. But this 3 is not having any relation. That means this children is not born to any mother. See, it is not possible. Even gods also must be born from mother womb only. Therefore, this F4 is not a function. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.